What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to be making some easy chocolate chip high protein cookies from Kodiak Cakes. It's going to be a super simple 10-minute bake time, and we're getting started right now. Hope that was easy enough for you guys to follow. Like I said before, I'm using the Kodiak cake mix. This one in particular is the chocolate chip one, so I didn't have to add any of my own chocolate chips in. They already came in the mix. Super easy to use. They also have the recipes already on the back of the box. I altered mine slightly just to add a little bit more protein, but you can do it however they have it on the box and they'll be just as good. All right, now let's jump straight into a quick macro breakdown. Not really gonna do a side-by-side comparison, but I'll just do a little bit of talking about, other cookies in general and different brands. There's so many cookies out there and I could, go on all day or compared to so many different ones. But let's jump straight into the macro breakdown. All right, we're just gonna do a quick talk about how much calories these cookies have and your typical cookie that you would get from the store or anywhere really, or make yourself. Obviously, if you make your own cookies from scratch without using the Kodiak cake mix or adding some protein powder in, your protein is going to be minimal, probably under 5. I mean, if they're small cookies, under probably 2 grams of protein per serving. These are going to be a lot better than that. And even if you go into the protein cookies from like Quest or Lenny and Larry's, they have about 15 grams. And I'm not going to hate on Lenny and Larry's. Their cookies are awesome, and there's so many different benefits to those cookies, and it's just crazy. But a pound per pound comparison, these cookies per calorie, compared to how much protein they have in them, they're probably one of the top ones, even when you're going into the protein-based treats or snacks outside of, protein bars that are going to have so much protein. Either way, let's jump straight into this. So for calories, we are looking at 235 calories per cookie. So it's not too bad. Honestly, a regular cookie you can make, or even a small cookie that you'd make from normal like Pillsbury mix or something like that, is going to be around the same without the extra protein. So this is good. This is a good snack. Good, dessert, because it has a good amount of fats in it. It's going to be a good, pre-workout or post-workout, really. With your protein shake and one of these cookies, if you're on the go, it's going to be great. So 235 calories, fat is 11.9 grams. It's because we use butter. I use grass-fed butter, but it depends really what you want to use. You can always use coconut oil or, some kind of alternative like that, and you're going to have a lot better fats, or even throw some peanut butter in along with that butter, and it's going to be a great option as well. Moving on to carbs, we have 20.8 grams of carbs. See, and that's going to be good for your pre-workout or post-workout. You need those carbs. It's not over the top. It's not 40 grams of carbs. It's a good amount. It's not out of control, so I like that number. I really enjoy having those carbs, and if I'm getting them from something I made myself, I feel a lot better about it than buying, a giant snack from Starbucks, or, a big old donut, something like that. It's going to have 50, 60 grams of carbs. So yeah, not too upset about that. Sugar, we're looking at 8.5 grams. These are cookies. If you don't want them sweet, then obviously you can cut back on that number a little bit, or use maybe some sort of a sugar substitute if you're going to sugar-free with your diet. Any kind of sugar supplement that you'd like to use, that'd be perfectly fine. I honestly just use brown sugar, and whatever sugar is already in that mixture and the other ingredients involved, that's it. I didn't add any sugar besides that. And going down to protein, we have 13.2 grams of protein per serving. That's going to be, 4 times as much as a normal cookie would have, and that's great because you can still get your cookie fix in while getting the protein you need to help promote muscle growth and to help your dietary needs. So, I'm happy with that. I could have put a lot more in there, but then you're going to lose the consistency of the cookie, and you really don't want to, get too far away from that. You want these to be a snack still. You want them to be a cookie. You don't want them to be something that you're forcing yourself to eat or not truly enjoying. So, 13.2 grams is great. Even if I was to eat 2 of these, compared to the Lenny and Larry's cookies, so not saying again, those things are great, but those are about almost 500 calories per serving. So if you add 2 of these together, that's going to have 15 grams. This is going to have, closer to 26, 27 grams of protein for 2 of the cookies, and it's still going to be under 500 calories. That's great. That's a win for me. I like those numbers. Really happy with how this recipe came out. I hope you are as well. Thanks guys for checking out this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions about the recipe or any way you can alter it for your specific diet needs, let me know in the comments. Or if you have any recommendations or requests for any kind of protein hacks, let me know in the comments as well. Make sure you show some love by hitting that like button. And of course, if you're enjoying these protein hacks, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications. That way you can be informed whenever there's a new protein hack out. Thanks again for checking out this video, guys, and I'll catch you on the next protein hacks.